Okay, so let's start with the coding part from this video. For now, you just have to install Visual Studio Code in your laptop. Just set it up. If you have not installed it, I will attach a PDF below in the description or in the comment section of this video. Make sure to check out that PDF and follow those instructions and install Visual Studio Code in your laptop. So this is all you need. You need not to install Node.js, as Node.js is we will use during learning the backend part. But for now, as we are focusing on learning the language JavaScript, so everything can be done in browser side, or we can run it in the browser side. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's start with the coding part. So at first, before starting with the coding part, I want to show you this repository where I will be uploading all the codes and notes. You can directly access this link. I will also attach it in the comment section in pin comment. So you can check this out and simply go to this repository and clone it. Okay. Or you can find all the notes from here. I will be updating those notes. Okay. So let's start with the coding part for today, for this video. So at first, before starting with like after starting with the JavaScript, the basic part is or the basic question which can be in your mind is that how to link the front end with the JavaScript, or like JavaScript also we will be using in the front end, but how to link those files. So for that you need to simply let me make a folder for today's video. So let's say day 01, and I'm going inside it. Let's make a basic index.html file, index.html, and another file we can make or we cannot. JavaScript can be written or linked to HTML page in different ways. So let's make a file for now, script.js. This is the best practice to use external JavaScript file instead of writing internal JavaScript. Okay, so for now, if we want to directly write JavaScript in our HTML code, so simply you have to write this script tag here, and inside it you can write the JavaScript, your JS code. Okay, so this is a method where we can directly write JavaScript or attach script related anything in the body of the HTML page. Another method is we are linking a external JavaScript file which is outside. Definitely it will be outside of that index.html file. So for that you need to simply write that script tag. Here is a suggestion, as uh, like I have the intelligence default intelligence which comes with VS Code. So you can also activate it. If you want a dedicated video how to activate it, I will be definitely uploading it in the shorts of my channel. Make sure to follow and subscribe the channel. So now how we can link it? Simply write a script tag like that, what you have written in the body part, and inside it attach an attribute called src, means source, and inside it, inside double quotation, you can simply write that. Just a second. Okay, I think now it's visible clearly. So inside simply give the path of that file. So for now if I do dot slash, you can see that file. Simply select it. Okay, so JavaScript is linked to our HTML for now. So that is the thing. Now let's test it. Okay, if it's working correctly or not. For now let me comment it out. Let's for now use this that internal JavaScript. Okay, which is already like inside the HTML code, which is inside body part. So for now, let me write a example JavaScript code, but we'll be learning JavaScript in depth. But for just checking purpose, let's write a code, simple code. Okay, before writing that code, let's open the live server or activate it. You can see there is nothing in the page. If I update this page with the word hello world, so simply let's say JS day 1. Okay, now here you can see, just remove it, no problem. Now I want to show you something. If you inspect the page, okay, just right click on your mouse and you will find the inspect option. So from there, just come to this console. Okay, now let's write something in JavaScript. Let's write like console.log simply hello world. Just I am removing it. Console.log means we are printing something to the console, which is hello world. So now if we go to the console, you can see hello world successfully printed. It means our JavaScript is working properly. Now let's remove that console.log or comment that out, or just let's remove it. Okay, and let's comment that thing also out. So now that script part is not with our code as it is commented. Now let's link that external JavaScript file with our code. I hope you can see this. Let's go to that file and paste the same code here. Console.log hello world. Let's at first not paste it. Now you can see nothing in our console, but if we can simply, like, we will simply write that code. Now if we go to the console, you can see hello world is printed. Okay, it means it is linked with the file script.js. Okay, here you can see the thing. Now let's check by writing another console.log. Let's say console.log, let's say day 01. Okay, so let's go to the code, and here you can also see that, let me capitalize the thing. So now you can see that day 1 is printed successfully on the console, and it is showing that it is linked with the file script.js and line number 2. Okay, and this is line number 1. So that is the thing. Now if you want to clear these things from your console of your browser, just click here, clear console. So let's click here. Okay, it is cleared successfully. Okay, that was the basic about the linking part, that how you can link the JavaScript with your HTML file. So there can be your question that, can I show it in the like in our web page? Obviously for that we are learning the normal client side JavaScript. Okay, client side means the front end side and server side means the back end side. So in server side Node.js is used, but in client side we are using normal JavaScript. Okay, so in next video we'll be deep diving on the topic or on the next topic about the JavaScript. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.